across the wheel, you know, and just talk about it.
That'd be pretty neat. Ah, so if I'm understanding right, this is right down here.
I watched him put it in this road. Oh, down this little back road.
Yeah.
That looks like off-road park right there.
There you go. There's something on it.
That looks fit in front.
Is this the way down to Dirt Nancy down through here? No. We appreciate it. Have a good one. Alright, we're on the right track. Ah, good old seatbelt has a little mud in it. Come on, seatbelt. There we go. Makes you feel safe.
You have yours on?
You probably, oh, there she found it. Cool.
It looks like people top out the top of it, man. You ain't making it up, man.
No,
Not me and y'all get off.
I didn't think we'd make it very far. Holy shit.
You're too clean! Do that.
Nope, that front end already started popping.
I heard it.
Dang, God. We were sliding our way down, boys. Look at
I don't think the Jeep's doing that one.
No. Damn, look at those slide
You
bars.
do that one? Surprise mud hole.
Hold on, I'm gonna whip it. Come on, swing! I need to weld that rear diff, I swear. Ah, those bushes!
Bushes. Didn't it?
Woo! This bottom is so soft. I mean, look at this.
There'll be like different party groups in each field.
There
man.
will, man.
This is awesome.
Well, time to lock her in. Watch that tree coming up on you.
Yes, sir.
Watch out, Slim.
Sorry, Sarah. Like it when it's done that way. It's almost like, you know, like when the movie. Whoa, pond.
Okay.
Looks like a hill climb too.
Yeah. He's dark. Yep, because this is that valley we seen. Okay, right up here's the light. When that car went down the hill and we went up the hill.
Oh, okay. This is the back side of it. Okay, so if we turn around and take this road all the way out, we'll go past 100 trails.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You go up that way, that's where he is at.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
This is it.
Okay, perfect. So we can turn around here.
Yeah, so there's where we went.
That goes up somewhere too.
Yep. Oh, how bad's that ditch? Oh, yeah. Big field. They ain't bush hogged this one. This could be interesting. Kind of hidden pond somewhere.
I see tire tracks that way.
Okay.
Been that way.
Oh, so this has me nervous. Very, very nervous. They bush hogged part of the field, but not the other part. Why? Is it swampy in the center?
A little road cut through the center of it.
Oh, that'd be so cool. A nice long field like this. Keep the center very smooth, where you can drag race down the center, then you come back around the edges to get relined up. And this would be like the perfect field to do it in.
That stuff is the easiest way for someone to build familiarity with you.
That's why I try to wear my YouTube shirt all the time and my hoodie.
Yes, that's what I was getting ready to say. Make sure you got your gear, record gear all the time.
Oh yeah.
That was cool.
I was going to today, but it was dirty and she's been busy. And I knew we wouldn't meet no one out here, so I wasn't too terribly worried about this time.
Yes. Good.
Strip a little dust on it. Yeah. What are we on? Oh, we're on that berm.
Oh no, that's some in the front end.
Run two-wheel drive.
No. Catching again?
Something ain't right.
Something's catching on the front end.
Yep.
Did you see that?
There's no reason in neutral it should not move.
No, there's not.
That was cool.
Did you try reversing it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hold on.
Yeah, one of those wheels is locked up. Transfer case.
I heard the transfer case that time.
Yeah, I won't go out here and flex it.
Bro, if you stay confident what you're doing, man, people will eat it up.
Oh yeah.
And I'm not seeing anybody that really does a good job showcasing the parts.
Right.
But that got louder.
We sped up a little bit.
Oh, Jeep. That's them here.
They got their four-ways on.
All queer.